Today's video we will fix a Frigidaire refrigerator beeping high temp, cooling restore and alarm and reset fix. So the fix one, you can close the door properly. Check if the refrigerator or freezer door is slightly open. Make sure nothing is blocking the door from closing. Firmly close the door until you hear it seal and wait a few moments to see if the beeping stop. Fix 2, you can check temperature settings. Press the controller panel on the fridge. Then set the fridge to 37 degree Fahrenheit or 3 degree Celsius, and then you can freeze to 0 degree. 0 Fahrenheit means minus 18 degree. And in step 3, you can give it 4 to 6 hours to cool it properly. Fix 3, you can reset the refrigerator. Unplug the refrigerator from the power outlet. Wait about 5 minutes. Plug it back in and check if the high temperature alarm stop. Fix 4, you can clean the condenser coil. So the fix 1, you can unplug the refrigerator. Locate the coil at the back or bottom. Use a brush or vacuum to remove the dust, or plug it back in and monitor the temperature. And in the final fix, you can simple check for a power outages. If there was a recent power cut, the fridge may beep until it cool again. So reset the alarm or mute buttons on the panel and then allow several hours for the temperature to return to normal. Goodbye.